So this is option one. I'll show you them both at the beginning, so then you can decide which one you want to do, or you can do both. So you take the strap around your foot and extend the leg up as far as you can, whilst you still keep the back nice and long. Now, if you don't have a strap, excuse me, if you don't have a strap to hold here, you can hold behind the back of the leg, but you need to be lifted up a certain height to be able to do that, because if you're lower, your back will be rounded and we don't want that. So as an alternative, you could go onto a small item such as a stool or a chair, as long as it's nice and stable. Or option two is on your back, leg up to the sky, left foot on the floor, or it might look more like this, depending on your hamstring flexibility. So rather than be up here with a knee bent, rather be further away. And you've got the option as well, if you want, to have the strap behind the leg. So to pick which one you're going to be, and then come into your position and take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. So even if you're standing or lying, make sure the arms are relaxed if you've got hold of the strap. A deep breath in and deep breath out. A deep breath in and deep breath out. Deep breath in and out. Good, then switching legs. So changing to the left leg or the right leg if you didn't do the right leg before. So again, your foot might be a lot lower if you're lying on your back. And the same as if you're standing up, might be lower than mine, might be higher than mine. Keep the toes drawn back, extend out through the heel. Deep breath in and deep breath out. So if you're standing, keep the spine nice and long. Deep breath in and deep breath out. So there's no rounding through the back, protecting our back. In and out and in and out and releasing. So if you wanted to do both of them, now come to the other one, or you can do another round of the first one that you chose. So I'm now coming to standing. You might not be going to the floor. Right leg up. Remember, you can have it on a stool if you need to. You can hold it without the strap. It doesn't have to be any particular strap. This is an exercise band. It could be a tie, a long tie. It could be the strap around your dressing gown, a scarf, a tray, pair of trousers, a top even, you could just wrap around there. Deep breath in and deep breath out and in and out. And releasing, switching legs, left leg, rising up, deep breath in, deep breath out. So my back is nice and long, there's no rounding through my back, so it's not like this. Oh look, I'm lifting my leg really high, but what am I doing to my back? No, we want the shoulders rounded, lifted. You could be up against a wall perhaps, if you do find you're rounded through the back. Also, you've got that stability there if you want to. You could be holding onto the wall for balance. Deep breath in, deep breath out, and deep breath in, and deep breath out, and releasing. And give a little shake out. Well done. So this is the end of day 2. Would it be really good if we could see the progression? So taking a picture of you with the leg up, either standing or on the floor, take a picture and see after the challenge whether that's moved at all. So we've increased that length of the back of the leg. So thank you so much for watching. This is Sandhya signing out. I hope you've enjoyed this hamstring challenge. It will be continued. Keep up the good work. Send me through your pictures as well, because I'd love to see how you're getting on. Take care. Bye bye.